The Preview app on iOS 26 makes it easier than ever to fill in forms you download into your emails or from websites on your phone. All we need to do is open up the form in question, and Preview is going to recognize any boxes that you can type into, and at the top here you're going to see a little message saying autofill form. When you tap onto here, you can then select any of the boxes, and it will recommend things to put in there for you based on your profile on your phone. I'm going to try and do this carefully without giving away my address and having to blur the whole video because that's a lot of extra work, but as I go through and tap into each box, you can see it's suggesting what I might want to put in there. I can also use the keypad and type in other things if I need to, if it's got something wrong perhaps, and of course I can go back and delete and edit these at any time. We can also add boxes, so if it hasn't detected a box, it has actually found all of them on this one, but we can press the plus button in the bottom corner and we can add a new text field and position it wherever you want it to go. And then when you've finished, all you have to do is press the back button in the top corner and that will save your PDF with your completed form on it as well. That means you can email it back to someone, upload it to a website, whatever you need to do, and you've done it all from the phone in your pocket. And if you want to see what else your iPhone is capable of that you perhaps didn't even realise, please check out my YouTube channel down below. There are literally hundreds of videos there, so please subscribe and I'll see you next time.